In this video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use to start seeing some profits on your accounts. Now, this strategy involves using a bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing candle and market structure breaks. Without wasting time, let's go on to the charts. But remember, if you're new to the channel, do give a like on the video. Remember to subscribe and also like this video, guys. Like the video. So let's go on to the charts now, and I'll show you this very simple strategy that uses a bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing candlestick and market structure breaks. Let's go on to the charts now. So guys, we are here on the USD CAD chart. This is USD CAD for our chart. Remember, you can use this strategy on any time frame. Most of you have been asking me whether these strategies I do give you guys or show you guys work on all time frames. And my answer has always been yes, all these strategies work on all time frames. Just use them based on which type of trades or which type of trader you are, whether you're going to swing trade, position trade, scalp, day trade, whatever. Just use them according to how you are going to trade. If you're going to swing trade, use them on higher time frames, probably the 4-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart. If you're going to position trade, maybe you can use them on a daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. If you're going to day trade, you're going to use it on a 1-hour chart, 30 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart. If you're going to scalp, you're going to use it on the 30 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart, 1 minute chart. Yeah, those lower time frame charts. So here we are on the 4-hour chart. Okay, now this strategy is very simple. I don't want to make the video too long, but guys, remember to give a like on the video. Please do give a like on the video. Don't watch the video and don't give a like. It really helps out a lot with the algorithm, guys. And if you've not subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, guys. We are on the way to 5K subscribers, and I hope you guys will support the channel that way. So here we are on the 4-hour chart. So what you want to do with this strategy, it's a very, very simple strategy that does not require you to do too much analysis, okay? So in this strategy, what you're looking for is a break of market structure. For example, this is a higher low right here, okay? This is a higher, let me zoom in. Most of you guys say you have eye problems, you don't see the chart sometimes. Okay, so this is a higher low, higher than these previous lows, okay? So we are waiting for market to break this higher low for us to see a downtrend, okay? So when this candle here comes and breaks this line here, okay, breaks this line, what we are looking for is a bearish engulfing candlestick that I'm going to show you right now. Just look for only that candlestick, okay? So you see here, the market moves, breaks this and moves below. You don't see a significant, okay, here you will see that there is a bearish engulfing after this bullish. There's this bearish engulfing. But you can see here, this time here is midnight when the market is basically not operating properly, okay? It's closed. Most of them, the markets for the US and Canada are closed at this time, okay? So you wait for the market to open the next day, or you trade during the time when the market is open, okay? At least maybe when the Japanese or the British or the UK market is open. So we wait for a candlestick formation like that. So here we see the market going back up, retracing on the 4-hour chart. This is like another day, okay? This is on the next 2 days. The retraces goes up. You don't see anything that you're looking for. Remember, this candlestick is like this. This is the kind of candlestick I'm talking about, guys. Let me show it to you. You see this formation here? This small bullish candle here, then taken out by this big bearish candle. This bearish candle's body must close below the low of the bullish candle, okay? Let me show you guys. I just want to take this out first. Now explain it better, okay? So you see this bearish candle, its entire body closes below the low of this bullish candle, and this bearish candle is way bigger than this bullish candle, okay? So this is where you take your trade, okay? You'll take your trade here, right? You'll take your trade here, or you'd wait until you can take it at the time when you can trade, okay? But this is the candlestick I want you guys to look for. Here you can take your trade when that candle closes. Put your stop loss above the high, okay, above the high, like here, okay, above the high of that candle, like here, and then target a 1 to 2 or whatever profit you want to take from the market. This is the only candlestick you are looking for, okay? Remember, you have to wait for the market to break structure, like here it broke structure, previous higher low to the downside. You wait for market to retrace and give you this kind of candlestick for you to take a trade. You need to be patient with this strategy, okay? You need to be really patient with this strategy. So here we see that the market created this high here, okay? See this high, market pulled back down, then this candle took out this high, so you wait for the market to pull back. Here you can see that there's a red candle here, but this bullish candle, its entire body closes above the high of that red candle, and also this red candle is smaller than this bullish candle. So you can take your trade here, okay? You can take your trade here. Your stop loss at the previous lows or slightly lower than these previous lows, and then you are looking for a 1 to 2 risk to reward minimum or whatever profit you want to take, like here, okay? If you put your stop loss too tight, like here, for example, like below these candles, you'd be stopped out here, but you'd get another opportunity here. You'd still take the trade on this candle's close because it's the same criteria happening, okay? You can see 1 to 2, and then you can be able to win. Let me show you just one more example, guys, before I let this go. You can see this is a higher low, this one, which was broken here by these candles. Market drops, okay? And then you're waiting for the other candlestick formation like these ones I've shown you. It happens here. You can see here, this bullish candle is smaller than this big bearish engulfing, and this big bearish engulfing's body closes below the low of that bullish candle. So you can take your trade here, your stop loss above that candle's high, and then you can look for a 1 to 2, okay? I want to show you that this strategy works, okay? Looking for a 1 to 2. Let's just put this above, okay? You can see you win this trade. So guys, this is the strategy I've been wanting to show you. It's a very, very, very simple strategy that I always show some of the members in my paid VIP educational group. Not the VIP channels group, but the members who are paid for their course. I have showed them this strategy and they are making money off of it. This strategy I've shown you 80% of it, okay? There is a 20% that I've left out just for the members who paid for the course. But that 20% is very crucial for you to get a high win rate with this strategy. There's something I've left out that I know if you guys get to know about it, your trading can change literally and you guys can become really profitable. If you want to be a part of that, you can contact me. My contacts are in the description of this video, or you can also email me. Guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, peace and out.